Hi guys, most welcome to a new tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe my YouTube channel. The video here in this video will discuss about stack a shape text layer above image layer. Select the shape text layer, use shortcut or command magic mic in the typical used for clipping mask. The typical shortcut comment option. This bends image to shape text layer. Object based clipping. Use the panel tool shape tool to create a custom shape. Place the image layer below the shape layer. Select the shape layer.